Welcome everybody. Welcome to the ISG Tutorials channel. Today we'll be talking about everybody's favorite thing, reflections. We'll be talking about what reflections consist of and a few examples. So let's get right into it. So, what is a reflection? A reflection is basically when you add thoughts or opinions to the stuff that you've done previously. So, if I was in DT and I was with a partner and we were assigned to make bridges, then I would add thoughts on how the bridge was made, how our teamwork went, and stuff like that, and also opinions. So, there are three main parts to a reflection. Three things that you should have, and then you elaborate on them. The first one being what went well, the second one being what went poorly, and the third one being what can we improve on next. So, for the what went well part, for example, if you're in a group, you could write down that the group work went well. And not only just that it went well, you have to elaborate on it. So you could say the group work went really well because there was a lot of communication and everything was clear and everybody had the same idea. Or because you guys managed the time very well and it fit in with all the other people's schedule. Stuff like that. And for what went poorly, carrying on with the teamwork example, you could say that the communication wasn't good at all and people were thinking different things. Or that the time management was really bad and not a lot of people got to contribute because of the lack of time. Things like that. And for the what you could improve for next time, you basically just alter your answer for what went poorly. And for example, so the communication and the time management went poorly. So you take that and then you find a solution for that problem. So the communication went poorly and the time management. So you could say, next time we need to improve on the communication with other group members. And the time management, we should communicate which times we should work and which times we can rest. Things like that. So what I just explained previously about the what went well, what didn't go too well, and what we can improve on next time, that was just a brief introduction to what you should write. What you should write is in a more elaborate form. Explain in detail. So I was working with Jacob and Maritz, and then this happened, and then we figured it out like this. So you're not just going to write down that, okay, it didn't go well and it did go well. You have to write it in a more elaborate form. An example could be handing in an essay that doesn't fit the criteria. So there's a simple mistake for this. You didn't read the criteria, or you didn't take it into consideration while writing your essay. So maybe you didn't have the right structure, maybe you didn't have the right topic that you were talking about. But either way, you did it wrong. So, for the what didn't go too well part, you could write that I didn't have the right structure, I should have looked at the criteria, and maybe asked a teacher for clearance. Thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to tune in for some more, and as always, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so it notifies you whenever we upload, and as always, hit that like button as well. See you guys.